Okay, so you're gonna start by doing one piece at a time, and I cut a few just so that I can have a few ready, but my recommendation would be only to cut a few of these at a time, so that, let's say my cat is in the room here. He loves to jump on my table and mess up things that are going on, so it's easier if you're only doing one at a time, okay? But here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start whatever side you want to start on. You're gonna go under the first strip, over this next one. See that one? It's going over it. Under the next one. Over into the next one here. And you keep alternating. And you can help yourself by lifting these strips. I'll do a little bit of a close-up. So I could lift this so that I can look underneath and move my strip so that I actually get it over the next one. Same thing, I'm going to lift this one and kind of scoot it through. Again, this is easier with two hands, but since I'm videotaping it, I'm going to show you with one hand. And I keep kind of scooting it over, going over and under. Here the next one is, I just went under, so I'm going to go over this one. Under that next one. And that last one, is it going to do it itself? It is. Okay, we've got our first strip, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to really gently kind of scoot it up all the way to the top. This is, again, a great spot to use your two hands, but I can wiggle it as much as possible. I'll switch hands, see if it works better the other way. Sometimes it can get a little bit caught. There we go. All right, I wiggled it, wiggled it, wiggled it. And I wiggle it until I cannot wiggle it any farther up. And I'm kind of looking at my edges. See how this one's coming off the end a little bit? I'm gonna adjust so that it isn't so far over. Like that. And it looks like right here I need to just cut this a little bit more so that I can go all the way to the top. Awesome. Okay, got our first strip. Now what you can do is you can either use some tape for the ends, or you can use a little bit of glue. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll lift up the edge, or you can scoot it back. Do a little dot of glue. Dot, dot, not a lot.